Everybody's climbing.
Guys, my name is Hlomla. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys a really quick wash day routine that does not take hours. Wash day no longer has to take hours. You no longer have to skip wash day when you're busy. You can have your wash day and actually go somewhere without having to wait for your hair to dry. So if you have been looking for a simple, easy wash day routine that you can follow, this is it. I swear. I'm talking washing and styling, everything an hour tops. That's it. This wasn't even clickbait. Like, keep on watching. So guys, to shampoo my hair, I am gonna be using, I'm sorry that you can't see here, but I'm using the Pantene sulfate-free shampoo. It's really not drying, like I already explained to you guys in my review video, and if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna leave it in the cards for you to see it. My hair is really soft, as you can see, but my hair never feels clean with sulfate-free shampoos, so I most definitely have to go for a second lather. So I have to shampoo twice, but then you don't have to, which means you can actually like save time on this if you're using a better shampoo, and you can just shampoo once and you're gonna be saving time. So after I wash off the shampoo, I just remove the excess water from my hair, and then to deep condition, I'm going to be using the Pantene Gold Series repairing mask. I actually like this mask, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I actually really do like it. I like the fact that I can so easily detangle with it, and I don't have to use that much when I'm detangling with it. I feel like I said detangling twice in a sentence and I was really just not working out. But okay, I just spread it all over my head basically, and I'm gonna cover my hair with a plastic bag, but you guys are gonna see that. Yeah. So I'm gonna be leaving my deep conditioner in for 15 minutes today because like I said, this is supposed to be a really quick wash day routine, so I'm not gonna leave it on for an hour. Yeah, and then after rinsing it off, after leaving it on for 15 minutes and then rinsing it off, I'm gonna be styling. To moisturize my hair, I'm using the Pantene Gold Series Hydrating Buttercream. This is the consistency. I thought I should take this opportunity to show you guys a demo of the rest of the products, since I couldn't actually show you a demo of all of the products in my review video. As you can see, I am using like a lot of product, right? I'm applying like a lot of product. It's not because you actually need to have like a lot. It's just that with these products, actually one of my favorite things about them is that it even says so in the packaging, and it actually works because I've tried it before, tried and tested by me, guys. You can just reactivate the products by wetting your hair. You just spray your hair with water, and then the product gets activated again, reactivated, and you can change your style. Like I can just try a braid out after a few days of having the product in my hair. Now, as a styler, I am going to be using this Pantene Gold Series Curl Defining Pudding. The plan was for this to actually lay my hair, like, because it has this jelly-like consistency, as you can see right here. It looks kind of like a gel, and so I was hoping it would just lay my hair, and it actually did. I don't want to lie, you guys are going to see at the end, it actually did lay my hair. I just want to tell you guys, you don't actually have to use the products that I'm using here. I just used them because I wanted to show you guys the rest of the series and how it actually, the rest of the line, Pantene Gold Series line, to show you guys how it actually works on my hair. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just gathering the section that I've already applied product to, the styler to, and I'm just gathering it towards the back in a low ponytail. The reason for this is because when my hair is shrunken like this, I cannot just take all of it and gather it into a ponytail at the same time, right? So I need to work in sections. So if your hair is of a, like, I don't know, looser curl pattern, then maybe you can do that. But if your hair is really coarse like mine, then you probably need to do the same thing that I'm doing here. If your hair has a looser curl pattern, then you're probably gonna be saving time because it's probably gonna take you less time to do this. You're not gonna have to work in like so many sections in order to get your hair laid and to the back. So the only time I'm using a comb is to just get a clean part at the front. Guys, it gotta be neat. But you don't have to part your hair. You can just take it all towards the back. But I thought it would be stylish to have this part right in the middle. Okay, not really at the middle. It's a slight side part, okay? Yeah, so like it makes it look neater, I think. Yeah. Just a few tips if your hair is not the same length as mine. If your hair is longer, then you probably will be able to work in fewer sections because your hair will be able to reach the back easier even when shrunken. If your hair is shorter than mine, then instead of a low bun, you can do a low ponytail, and if your hair is even shorter than that, you can do a little puff at the back. And if your hair doesn't really tie back, then like just do a wash and go, okay? Yeah. Okay, after I finally get all my hair to the back, what I do is I take a bit of the curl defining pudding, rub it in between my hands, and just spread it on the top. I don't know, I don't usually do sleek buns, but I feel like this is an important step. And then I just brush down my edges because they tend to look raggedy when I don't brush them down. I didn't add any other product on. I just took a soft bristle brush to just brush down my edges so they look good too. They match the rest. And then I take a head wrap and I just tie my hair down. Now you can either leave the head wrap on for 10 minutes, or like me, you can just snap your fingers and be ready in 2 seconds with a different outfit on. And then just take off your head wrap. Now you can totally leave it as it is right now. This counts as a look, but I'm extra and you know it. So I'm taking the curl defining pudding again, and I'm taking out little pieces of hair on the side to just, I never do like super sleek buns. I'm like so I'm just gonna be extra and just like take out little curls, you know, because I like my buns messy, but it's okay. It's okay. My hair's wet. I cannot have a messy bun on wet hair. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I have no idea what's going on with my hair. I don't know if it's getting thicker or longer, or it's because it's wet. I don't know, but dun 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 dun, I'm loving it.
Everybody's climbing.